Hello students, how are you all? Hope you all are doing well. Students, today we are going to solve question number 14 of exercise 2.2 chapter 2, that is linear equation in one variable. So question number 14 says Lakshmi is a cashier in a bank. She has currency notes of denomination rupees 100, rupees 50 and rupees 10 respectively. The ratio of the number of these notes is 2:3:5. The total cash with Lakshmi is rupees 4 lakh. How many notes of each denomination does she have? Students, let me explain you what the question says. It is telling us that Lakshmi is one cashier. One lady named Lakshmi is a cashier in a bank. She has the currency notes with her is of the denomination rupees 100, 50 and 10 only. All the cash which is with her is in these notes only. Then they have given us two hints. One of the hint is the number of these notes, that is the number of 100 rupees, 50 rupees and 10 rupees is in the ratio 2:3:5 respectively. That means 2 for 100, 3 for 50 and 5 for 10. And the second hint which they have given us is that total cash with the Lakshmi is rupees 4 lakh. So students, this type of question we have solved it before also. Whenever they have given us in ratio, we used to take in terms of x. So let me take the number of rupees 100, rupees 50 and rupees 10 as 2x, 3x and 5x respectively. So let me write, let the number of notes of rupees 100, rupees 50 and rupees 10 be 2x, 3x and 5x respectively. Now students, total amount which she has is 4 lakh. So let me write down here amount and try to explain you. Total amount she has is 4 lakhs rupees. That means whatever the amount is, that is 2x is of 100 rupees. 100 rupees, how many notes are there? 2x. So its total will be 100 into 2x means 200x, right? Total notes of 50 rupees is 3x. So 3x into 50 will give me 150x, right students? Amount I am talking about. And total notes of rupees 10 is 5x. So 10 into 5x will give me 50x. This is the amount of 100 rupees notes. This is the amount of 50 rupees note and this is the amount of 10 rupees note. If we do total of this, we will get rupees 4 lakhs. So this is what we are going to do it over here. Now the amount of 100 rupees note, rupees 100 notes is equal to how much was it? It is 2x into 100 is equal to 200x. Same way, the amount of rupees 50 notes is equal to 3x. She is having 3x numbers of notes. Value of 3x is 50. So 50 into 3x will give me 150x. And the amount of rupees 10 notes is equal to 5x. And what is the value of one note? 10. So total 5x will become 50x. Now, according to question, total amount which she has is 4 lakhs rupees. And what is that total amount made up of? Rupees 100, that is 200x, plus rupees 50 amount, which is 150x, plus rupees 10 amount, that is 50x, is equal to 4 lakh rupees. Therefore 200 plus 150 is 350, plus 450 is 400x, is equal to 4 lakhs rupees. Therefore x is equal to 4 lakh divided by 400. 0 will cancel out, and 4 ones are 4 will cancel out. I will write over here 1. Therefore our x we will get as 1000. This is not the answer, students. This x which we got, we will put it in their respective total amount, number of notes. We will get the number of notes. Therefore the number of notes, number of rupees 100 notes is equal to, how much it was? 2x is equal to 2 into 1000 is equal to 2000 notes. The number of rupees 50 notes is equal to how much, students? How much it was? 3x. So 3 into 1000 will give me 3000 notes of 50 rupees. And the number of rupees 10 notes is equal to 5x is equal to 5 into 1000 is equal to 5000 notes of, sorry, it is 5000 notes of rupees 10. Now we have got the number of notes of each denomination. We have solved our question, but is it correct? For that I have to calculate, and that I will calculate it in rough. So I will calculate 2000 rupees, 2000 notes of 100 will give me 2 lakh rupees. If I multiply 2000 with 100, it will give me 2 lakhs. If I multiply 3000 notes of 50, it will give me 5 3s are 15 and 4 zeros. That means 1,50,000. And 5000 notes of rupees 10 will give me 5 ones are 5 and 4 zeros, that is 50,000 rupees. And when I sum up them, it will give me 200 plus 150, 350 plus 50, 400. That means 4 lakh rupees. So our answer is absolutely right. Hope you have understood this question. This verification you can do in your examinations so that you can be sure that your answer is right. If you have not understood this question, please go through it once more or twice. We will meet with new lecture in future videos. Till then, take care of yourself, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.